What's up, Fish Nation? I know I forgot the hat. Like I said in my last video, I've had a lot going on. It's got me a little bit crazy and frazzled. It's messing with my sleeping habits, so I'm actually late getting to the fishing spot for my fishing morning bite. And then I ran into that wreck that you guys saw, which is literally right at the corner of the spot. So I had to go way around just to get over here. But no hat, all that good stuff. Sorry. But while we are here is because this is a great frog pond. And in today's mystery tackle box, we got this little Mr. 3D frog here. So I figured we would try this out at the pond today, little Mr. 3D frog. I also figured we would try out some of the other soft plastics that I have gotten in other mystery tackle boxes, just to see if, hey, maybe these things actually working or are they not working. I have caught fish with some of the mystery tackle box lures, but other mystery tackle lures have been complete junk. So, figured I would try another video of, hey, do we have some good ones? But the big thing we're gonna try today is our hollow body frog. This is a pointed one. I'm big on the booyah popping frogs, so we'll see how this one works. Let's get the kayak in the water. Let's get to fishing. Like I said, it's supposed to be an overcast, kind of foggy day. So, hey, maybe the conditions will work good for us. That hurricane, whatever, I can't remember the name because I just wanted to say the name. So, of course, now I can't remember it. But that hurricane just finished blowing through. So our water temps are going to be cold. Lots of rain just went through. I don't know how it's going to go. I haven't been fishing in a while. Like I said, lots going on. Let's get out there. Let's see if we can catch some fish. This has already been a long intro. All right. Look at this mess. Oh, you guys can't see nothing. Look at this mess. Look at all them grassy things. Probably should have wore a different pair of pants, but we're all good. Now, I've already heard a couple ploppy ploppy sounds, so it could be a good morning. But yes, I don't know. So if y'all notice, I'm kind of just giving it a little poppy because I can't really work it with that walking action. So I'm kind of just trying to pop it on top of lilies and then just slowly drag it back off of those lilies. And just, if I'm catching a lily with my line or the hook, I'm basically just, instead of trying to yank that thing 1,000 feet away to get it out, I'm trying to just slowly pull it out, maybe pull on the lilies just so ever slightly, so that I'm not really disturbing the area, but I am necessarily showing fish, hey, there's something going on over there. Yep. Got that one. Oh, what the? Get the freak out of here. Where'd my froggy go? on braid, like, okay, so y'all just saw that. Yep, y'all are here, y'all just saw that. On braid, that just happened. And it broke. It's broke too. It's not even my knot. It's broke. Yeah, not even my knot. Clean break. What the? Wow. Doesn't that add an interesting turn of events? Well, we're here, so we'll keep doing it. I got another frog. We'll throw the other frog. Where's the other frog? Crap. Oh, yeah. Leave that out. I think I'm going to hook up the other thing, too, while I'm at it. But we'll just go back to the old booyah popping frog. I'm just amazed. I'm lost. Yeah, I'm at a loss for words, guys. Just irritating. Let me tie this up. I'm gonna put some soft plastic on with a little, I don't know. I'm probably just gonna throw nothing but the frog here, to be 100% honest. Okay, so we are back in business. We're on the popping frog, which doesn't go through the lilies as easily as that other one was. I'm kind of upset on that. But he does make a little bit more of a disturbance. Which is nice. So I started thinking about it. Another thing that could have caused our line to break is it could have gotten wrapped around one of the hooks. And while I was pulling on it, it just cinched on that hook and cut the line. That is another problem with braid, but I just like braid for my surface lures a little more. Because it does still float. It does sink, but it has a slow sink, a very slow sink. So it still works for a surface. And then you get that super abrasion resistance and strength. So like when you're fishing in sloppy like this, I mean, I can just pull that fish through all this gunk. Because you never know where he's gonna hit. I mean, he could hit right there and all that stuff right there. I can't believe I lost that frog already. Like, that's my luck. Frog gone. First 4 or 5 cars, gone. And I can't even blame that one on the lure, man. That one was meat. Meat, a braid, or something. I don't know what it was. Whatever it was, it's gone now. Oh, I can't even move this stuff. So now we're in the deep part of the water. Right? It's about the deepest part of this place. This is what us down here in the south call a mill pond. So there used to be a mill here. Actually, it was dead in front of me. But normally out here, I would have gotten at least 1 bite by now. I mean, I know it's a super covered lake, and a lot of people will come out here and just get overwhelmed and not know what to do. But it's just the same as with any lake. It's just the same as with any lake. You find the better looking spots. You find the spots that look like they're gonna hold fish, and you just fish them. I mean, yeah, there's structure everywhere here. Normally, a lily pad section like this would be fire, the whole thing, in a pond that doesn't have a lot of lilies. Well, this whole pond is lilies, so now you need to look for the opposites. Now it's the fringes of the open pockets that are usually be your better spot. I mean, look, it's literally pushing me back. The fringes of your open pockets are better. If you guys have noticed, there's been spots of like taller lilies, like all these taller lilies out in front of me. They actually have more open spots underneath them. So if you can get to them, cast around a little bit around the edges of them and in them. Spots where it looks like the lilies kind of make their own kind of little like indentions. Fish those indentions. I mean, in a pond like this, the lilies almost start to form their own structure patterns. Like, it's thick, guys. Like this spot right, let go. Like this spot right here in front of me. So you can see where these tall lilies, and then there's a couple sparse tall lilies, some tall lilies, and then there's that little openy pocket back there. I've actually caught several fish in that spot, and that spot looks like it would hold fish. It looks different than everything else around it. But just to keep in mind, when you're fishing places like that, that's what you can do a lot of times. Now, one other spot that I've had some luck that we can go try. Get out of my way, you land mat. Oh wow, that is a hugely deep pocket. Holy cow, I might need to hit that with some jiggy. Got him. Come on. Oh, nice one. No. We're recording. Oh, yeah! I told y'all there were some nice fish out here. Good 2-pounder. Look at all that lettuce that came with him. Woo! Oh, yes. Yes, man, am I glad I came over. Oh, that's a good 2-pounder, y'all. Oh, maybe only a 1, but man. I gotta release him behind me, guys. Sorry y'all couldn't see that, but I had to release him behind me. Yes, man, am I glad I came over here. See, and that's that sign sometimes. Just don't give up, guys. Just don't give up. Because I was about to head off somewhere else, and there he was. Nice fish, too. Oh, man, I didn't think I was going to get him. Whew. He got stuck in all this mud stuff. Let's see if there's another one over here. I told y'all, the open pockets. So we have this open pocket, and where was he? He was right on the edge of that open pocket. It's the other reason why, when you're in a super thick lily pond, why getting in these open pockets will sometimes produce better for you. Because a lot of times these open pockets are open because they're really deep. So that's where you can have that luck sometimes in fishing these pockets, because they're deeper to allow those fish to sit in them. And oh my gosh, I wish I had my hat now. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, this is a big one, guys. Oh, this is a good one. I hope y'all saw that. Oh my gosh. Oh, he blew up on it. Oh, he's freaking head shaking. Come on, pull me over. Oh, yes. Yeah, that's how we roll, son. Oh, barely hooked. Barely hooked, please. Yes, y'all recording. Oh my gosh, yes. You know, we gotta weigh him. Oh, that was a beautiful blow up. Oh, thank God we didn't quit. Yes. Oh, I needed that. 514. Oh my gosh. 2 ounces short of 6. 2 ounces short of 6. Look at that behemoth. Yes! Woo! I gotta pause for a screenshot. I'll pull that off later, guys. Oh! I was gonna release him on this side. He had other plans. Oh, yes! I told y'all. Big fish in here. Big fish in here. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to blow up like that all year. Thank you. Oh, I've been wanting to blow up like that all year. The booyah popping frog, I'm telling y'all. That's what all this has been on, is on the popping frog. And this is even in thick stuff. I'm still working the popping frog. Like, just, I don't know, man. I'm all about a popping. I don't like any of the other ones. A popping frog, I can pop it. I can work it like a frog. I can work it like everything. We are back in the original creek channel of all of this stuff before they turned it into an old mill pond. Damn it! He missed it. It's just a matter of getting it in front of him. Oh, we got him! Oh my gosh, that's another good one. Oh my gosh, he just poop. See what I'm saying? Just had to get in front of him. Because then you're in this thick cover, they're gonna opportunity strike it. So if it's not perfectly where they want it, they're not gonna hit it. Little guy this time. Still not bad though. There we go. Little guy. Here we go. This one I can release for you guys. Here we go. Sloop. So like I was literally saying when he gulped it, it's when you're fishing super thick cover like this, we know where the fish are because I have watched them popping all over the place. We know they're wanting to hit the open pockets and not the thick pockets. So I'm stopping in the open pockets now, but I'm also just pretty much fan casting this whole area because I know they're in this area. I just keep seeing them moving so much in this area. I know, oh my gosh, one just hit it. I got another one, y'all. He hit it when I stopped it. Oh wow, so yeah, they're just sitting out here in this thick stuff and they're wanting it in the open pockets. I stopped that in the open. I think I missed him. I think he's gone. Yep, he got away. Dang, he got off. He hit it like 2 times and then he came off. Now I pulled myself over here where they're at. Oh, like I was saying, they're wanting us to stop in the open pockets. Right there, boom, one popped it. He had it in his mouth. They're sitting all over in here, and they're just wanting me to stop in the open pockets. So I'm just kind of stopping in the open pockets for a little bit, seeing if somebody comes up and sloops it, and then just moving them along. And now I'm just trying to cover water in this area that they are obviously sitting in. And that's what I'm just trying to get it through where, once again, like fishing something like this can get really overwhelming for people. And I've noticed that with a lot of it, they don't know how to do it. And when you start to get into these heat days of August, sometimes this is the only place you can catch fish. And I mean, if you're in a body of water that has lilies but isn't completely covered in lilies, you can go there and pretty much be guaranteed to catch at least 1 fish. Got him. Oh, you kidding me? I had him. Oh, this grass. Or the lilies. But dang, I had him. I had a good hook set on him and everything. I don't know how he got him too. Oh my gosh. Ah. I had him, he jumped clean out of the water and y'all probably couldn't see it because the way everything's angled. I don't know how he got off. Got him! I know y'all. No! Oh my God. Hi. Whew, so that's the day. Great blow-ups. Seems to be my luck every day with these mystery tackle box things. We lost the mystery tackle box frog right off the bat, but we still killed with the frog. Huge blow-ups, that's always fun. Wish we could have got more in the kayak, but we didn't. But hey, that's life sometimes, especially when you're fishing thick cover like this. Having said that, just for a note to recap, remember, don't let it overwhelm you. Hit it like any other kind of body of water, whether there's a bunch of structure or not a bunch of structure. Just pick out the spots that fit uniquely and fit what normally works. And if that's not working, continue to just branch out. I've found thicker cover works better than fishing the open patches, but today they wanted the open patches. And they were all over the open patches. Once we figured it out, we were just killing. We caught that 6-pounder, we caught that 3, and then we caught that little 1-pounder maybe little guy. Had a couple other little ones that popped out of that we missed. Had that other huge blow up. That was probably another at least 6, 7, which, oh my gosh, to have caught him would have been awesome. But that's the other problem with fishing a frog and fishing thick cover. You don't always get the best hook sets, and when they dig down deep into that stuff, it is not the easiest to get them out. Something I just learned today, and losing that one fish, when you're fishing thick cover with the kayak, you're gonna wanna make sure that you keep the nose of the kayak pointed towards where you're working. So if you do hook into a big fish, the kayak can pull, you can kind of pull yourself towards the fish and the fish towards you kind of thing. So the fish does dig down and he doesn't want to move, you can kind of move your kayak towards the fish. Because I lost 2 because the kayak was at an angle and it wouldn't even move. I just couldn't get it to move. I couldn't get to the fish. And they finally pulled free. Life's a story. Get out there and live it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I only have more stuff coming out. It seems like I'm getting better at editing compared with the comments and stuff. Appreciate you guys, all the support. I really do. I'm hoping I can get back into it. I know I had that week hiatus and forgetting hats and stuff like that. I'm not back to my full game yet, but a great fishing day like today really makes you feel like getting back into it. So peace, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this one. That's a long outro, but I wanted to really go over those recaps for you. Later.